Hi everyone, it's Renee Southam sharing a tool with you. It is a website called Stickman.com, and this is for all you budding artists or just innovators at heart. I found this site when I was trying to find a solution for a indoor recess, and it's a perfect short creative venture. So if you look here, there's several episodes. The website's very clean and pretty user-friendly. So I'm just going to click on episode 1, and it says literally draw a stickman. So I'm going to draw a stickman. Would like to have some color, I would add to this page. Now you can see what happens is they literally come to life and start telling a story, and you're now a participant in that. And it's a very simple story, but it's quite engaging, and the innovators, what amazing idea. So now we're going to have to draw a key, it says. So I'm going to draw a key. And press done. So even the youngest user could do this and have success. And there's not a lot of academic benefit, but it definitely was a great recess filler. I don't want to ruin it for you, so I'm going to stop there. So check it out. Drawastickman.com.